Question number 11. The diagram shows the curve y is equal to cos of x under root sine of 2x for x is equal to less than and equal to 1 over 2 pi and greater than and equal to 0. The curve has the maximum point at M where x is equal to E. Find the exact value of x. Okay, we know that the maximum point, which is M, d by over dx at x is equal to a is 0 because the derivative of the maximum point always 0. Let's find out dy over dx. So dy over dx is equals to derivative of cos of x under root sine of 2x with respect to dx. And in this case we have the product of two functions, so we will apply product rule, which is du v with respect to x is equals to u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. Let's apply dy over dx is equals to, in this case cos of x is u and sine of 2x under root sine of 2x is v. U cos of x derivative of under root sine of 2x with respect to x plus under root sine of 2x derivative of cos of x. So cos of x will remain same and the derivative of under root sine of 2x is 1 over 2 under root sine of 2x. And now derivative of sine of 2x plus under root sine of 2x remains same and derivative of cos is negative sine of x. Cos of x over 2 under root sine of 2x. Now derivative of sine of 2x is cos of 2x and derivative of 2x with respect to x plus under root sine of 2x and negative sine of x. This one is equal to cos of x, cos of 2x, and derivative of 2x is 2 over 2 under root sine of 2x, so 2 will be cancelled out, and this one is equal to negative sine of x under root sine of 2x. This is the dy over d. We need to find the value of a. Dy over dx at x is equal to a is 0. Dy over dx at x is equal to 0. So this one is equals to the cos of a cos of 2a over under root sine of 2a minus sine of a under root sine of 2a, which is equal to 0. So taking LCM in this case, we will have under root sine of 2a and this one will be cos of a cos of 2a minus sine of a, and this one is equal to sine of 2a, which is equal to 0. So we have cos of a cos of 2a minus sine of a sine of 2a, which is equal to 0. We know that cos of alpha plus beta is equal to cos of alpha cos of beta minus sine of alpha sine of beta. So we can apply this formula in this case. So this one is equal to cos of a plus 2a, which is equal to 0. So we can say that cos of 3a is equal to 0 and 3a is equal to cos inverse of 0, and this one is equal to pi by 2. So pi by 2 is the angle which satisfies the given range. So we can say that 3a is equal to pi by 2 and a is equal to pi by 2. So we have calculated the required value of a. Now let's move to the part B. The region enclosed between the x-axis and the curve is rotated through 2 pi radian about the x-axis. Find the exact volume of the solid generated. Okay, this is the curve. When we rotate it 2 pi degree, it will look like a balloon. So this is the case of volume of revolution, and the volume of revolution is equals to v, which is equals to pi integration of y squared dx, and we have the limit from x1 to x2. In this case, we have this point is x1 and this point is x2. So we can say that limit from 0 to pi by 2, and y is equals to the cos of x under root sine of x. So in this case, x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equals to pi by 2, and y is equals to cos of x under root sine of 2x. Plugging these values in the formula of volume of revolution, we will have v is equals to pi limit from 0 to pi by 2, and y is equals to cos of x under root sine of 2x whole square dx, and this one is equals to pi 0 to pi by 2 and cos square of x and sine of 2x dx. And we know that sine of 2x is equals to 2 sine of x cos of x. So the given integration will be pi 0 to pi by 2 and cos square of x times 2 cos of x sine of x dx, and this one is equals to 0 to pi by 2 pi 2 cos cube of x sine of x dx. We need to find the integration 2 pi integration from 0 to pi by 2 cos cube of x times sine of x dx. Let u is equals to cos of x, and du with respect to dx is equals to negative sine of x. So du is equals to negative sine of x dx, or you can say that negative du is equals to sine of x dx. So this is the negative du, and u is equals to cos. So this one is u. The limit has the x values. u1 is equals to cos of x1, which is in this case x1 is equal to 0. So u1 is equals to cos of 0, which is equals to 1, and u2 is equals to cos of x2, and in this case x2 is pi by 2. So we will have u2 is equals to cos of pi by 2, which is equals to 0. So this expression volume is written as 2 pi integration from 0. In place of 0 we will use u1, which is 1, and in place of x value pi by 2 we will use u2, which is 0, and u cube, and this one is negative du. So this one is also equals to negative 2 pi u cube d cube from limit from 1 to 0, and we know that integration of u cube is equals to negative 2 pi, and this one is equals to u to the power of 4 over 4, and limit from 0 to 1. Now apply limit v is equal to negative 2 pi. When we apply 0 limit, it will be 0 over 4 minus 1 over 4. So we will have the volume is equal to negative 2 pi times negative 1 over 4, and 2 will be cancelled out, and we will have pi by 2. So we have the volume which is equal to pi by 2. This was the required volume of the revolution for the given curve. I hope you have enjoyed my lectures. Thanks for watching my videos, and please subscribe.